Hey y'all! We are stopped tonight at North Chickamauga Creek. This is one of our favorite spots when we are in the northern Chattanooga area. I wish we could stay the night here, but we can't. It's a day use only, and there are lots of hiking trails. I think this one is called Mowbray Park, and they've done some improvements to the trails and the trailhead, so it's really nice to just be able to park. As you can see the van up there. Roger is sitting down here on our favorite rock. I'm going to turn that around so you can see it and the creek, because it's really flowing right now because of the spring. Here we go. So there you have it.